I hope कि पंजाब दे विच ये प्रॉब्लम ना होए, because problems, देखो, here is what I have just sent to the Prime Minister. Memorandum of the Government of India seeking fiscal and non-fiscal assistance from government. We have covered all our area. We estimate that by the end of this financial year, we will be about 30,000 crores short of revenue. Karan, one, GST will be reduced. The industry nahi hai, so you don't have, or trade is going down, the industry will certainly go down. We have received only 2,200, that is January, February, March, GST. April, May, June, the aani hai, and I hope they will give it in time, plus some other grants that are due to us. Lekin 30,000 crores worth of shortfall, which we estimate, और ये हाले सानू पता नहीं कि एक कोविड जाना किथे है. As far as indications are concerned, we will reach a peak. Some say July, some say August, September, October, November, could be any time. There is no clear-cut method of this escalation, and we have to be ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਪਏਗੀ ਕਿ ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, like it's happening elsewhere, unless ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ protection ਨਾ ਕਰੀਏ. Protection ਦਾ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਤਰੀਕਾ ਹੈ, ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੇ ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, the doctors, ਜੋ scientists ਨੇ saying 75% protection is only by wearing masks. अगर ਤੁਸੀਂ masks समय सिर पा लो और रखो as all times, that is 75% of your chances of getting infection are not there. So then of course washing your hands, social distancing वगैरह वो दूसरी गल्लां ने. उन्हें सवाल मेरे को आउंदे ने कदे कदे कि कदों फिर लॉकडाउन चकोगे. लॉकडाउन चक्कण दा या लाउण दा या फदे बढ़ाउण दा मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता. दैट विल बी समय ही दसू कि उत्थे की हालात बन जाने ने. वन थिंग आई कैन अश्योर यू, पंजाब दे विच अगर ये फैलन दे कोई चांसेस ने, I will act firmly. I will not let this spread in my state. I have to do my best, and I will do whatever I medically. We have a team which advises us of very eminent doctors. Dr. Talwar is there, Dr. Rajesh Kumar, jo community medicine the head say in PGI, is retired. Then Dr. Raj Bahadur, who's our vice chancellor of the Baba Farid University. They know doctors, and Dr. Talwar used to be director of this PGI, and he's one of India's most renowned heart specialists. So this team tells us what to do, and I will go by the team's advice. If they say what to do, I will do it. औखा जरूर लगूगा सानू, क्योंकि people get fed up. मैं भी fed up है, तुसी भी fed up हो. कितनी देर असी अपने आप काम घरां च बैठे रहांगे, but there it is. साडे हथ तो बाहर है ये गल. So that is as far as COVID is concerned. दूजी गल मैं जो कहना चाहना है, which I think all of us are today very concerned about, is China's influence, which is policies which are साडे मुल्क नू खराब करन दी पूरे लगे हुए ने. We have had constant irritation from China since 1959. 62 तक लड़ाई हो गई सी साडी. उस तो बाद कई बार साडे नाल border clashes होए. We had it in Jalapla, we had it in Nathula, we had it in parts of this Chola. Then we had another clash in Doklam, which was just last year. Hun jada ho reha Galwan, this is not the first time. 1962 which भी Galwan होया सी. We had in the same places जिथे आज चल रही है, whether it is Galwan Valley, whether it is Daulat Beg Oldie, which is Hot Springs, सारे उत्थे लड़ाइयां हुई सी, साडे बंदे शहीद होए से. I remember in Hot Springs there was a company of 5 Jats under Major Ajit Singh. मैनूं ये भी याद है कि उत्थे अगले पासे at close to Darbuk there was a company of again 5 Jats under Major Husbandis. शहीद होए सारे उत्थे मरे. Daulat Beg Oldie which there was Subedar Stobdan, from 14 Jack rifles. ਉਹ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਸ਼ਹੀਦ ਕਰਤੇ ਸੀ ਉਦੋਂ. ਸੋ ਇਹ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਪੁਰਾਣੀ planning ਹੈ to tackle us. Now Galwan is what? Galwan was a post which was patrolled up to the patrol, ਅਸੀਂ patrol ਕੀਤੇ ਸੀ. ਪੈਟਰੋਲ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਲੈਸ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਹੁਣ ਸਾਰੀ ਵੈਲੀ ਕਲੇਮ ਕਰਤੀ. ਇੱਕ ਨਾਲਾ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਗਲਵਾਨ ਨਾਲਾ ਹੈ. ਉਹ that empties into the Shyok River, and Shyok River is in the Shyok Valley, and Shyok Valley to right, it's a 240 kilometer road which goes right up to Daulat Beg Oldi, and Daulat Beg Oldi has our advanced landing ground also. So this gap of Daulat Beg Oldi is between Siachen Glacier and Aksai Chin. दोनों पासे, एक पासे पाकिस्तान का कंट्रोल है in Siachen, and साडा कंट्रोल, but they are our adversaries. लेकिन सामने वाला जो पाकिस्तान का हिस्सा सी, halfway down the Siachen Glacier, they have given as a gift to China. POK territory, जो हिंदुस्तान की territory सी, उन्होंने जाके उन्होंने दे दी थी. And today they are occupying that. And the objective is very clear. They want to close this gap between Siachen and so that India has no access in this region. In erstwhile Kashmir, जो 1947 with Kashmir see, that whole border is now going to be, outer border is going to be China if they close this gap. That is why I am sure the government of India is taking military precautions, जो भी लेंदे ने, and their diplomatic system which they are working on. But I think this is something that we have to be very careful of, that their intention is to close that gap between Aksai Chin and Siachen and cut off any access into Tibet, into China from the Kashmir side.